Hey guys, so I haven't posted a video in a while. Got a new job and it's been taking a lot of time, but thought I would share this little hack from my 3D printing here. So my daughter got this Latrax, this is an SST I believe. I don't know, I'm not too keen on this stuff, but we got this for her a few years ago. She was a little too young for it. She crashed the hell out of it, broke it all up. I recently bought a Teton to have fun with her, to do a little bonding, but she had cracked the whole front of this all up, so you can see the adhesive where it had tape on it. So I decided to use a smoothing technique from 3D printing, using photopolymer resin and a UV flashlight to repair the body. So what I did is I had her do this actually. Just laid a piece of tape along the crack here, flipped the body over, used one of these chemical application brushes, and we were able to paint it on here. Once I had it all cleaned, once I had it all evenly coated or sheeted, you can take the UV light, and if I can turn it on here, and you can cure the resin immediately. So after about 2 seconds, it's rock hard. It's crazy because the resin actually flows into the crack if you see it. And there you go, it's 100% repaired. So these cars you can't find the bodies as easy for them, but it would be kind of cool to like dip some or pour some in there and actually like coat it and hit it, so you create more of a hard shell for rollovers. But yeah, there you go. If you do use this and you are filling huge gaps or something, you can actually just put a great amount that you can put, you can put a shit ton of baby powder in there and use it almost like body filler for a car, because once you hit it with that light, it's going to be solid. So here we go. So, all right, there you go. You guys have a great day.